Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Blaze Quantum, a tool that claims to secure file transfers, storage, notes, and team messaging with quantum safe end-to-end encryption. Uh, the tool is a file transfer with a drive with notes uh, with a portal link expire. So you're going to use it to transfer large files, also to storage your files in a quantum safe end-to-end encryption. So Safety is um, something that they take serious. The difference here will be everything. So depending on the tier you're gonna get more gigabytes and also more nodes with unlimited nodes per user in tier 4. Remember that to get portal customization and custom domain name, you will need tier 3. So you need to get license tier 3. That will be the case. So um, I'm gonna show you the tool it's pretty used to use. So here's Blaze. You click here to send files, you click here to see the files, you click here to create your portals. So just drop your file here. Select if you want to share via email, workspace, or link. For the sake of that review, I'm going to share by link. You can change the title, the number of retention days. The link will expire after 7 days. You can add a message here, and click here to send. The tool already upload the file. You can use your own custom domain with tier 3. And I'm going to see here the result of the link. Here's the link. You can download it here. And everything here is customizable. So you'll be able to customize it to your brand. Here you can check the file received and the files sent. Here's the file where it's sent. And here is a portal. You can create a portal really fast, selecting the workspace. You can select if it requires passwords, data retention, portal lifetimes, and the message. Click on create. And you have here a portal. The tool is loading. You have here your portal to receive your files. Again, everything here is customizable. So this is Quantum Blaze. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.